Best Rimfire Rifle Scopes. In this video I am going to show you best Rimfire Rifle Scopes. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Vortex Optics Crossfire 227x32 Rimfire, second focal plane, 1-inch tube rifle scope, V-plex reticle. The 27x32 Crossfire 2 Rimfire rifle scope is one of many configurations in the Crossfire 2 line. The V-plex reticle is a popular all-purpose hunting reticle intended for a variety of hunting applications. With long eye relief and an ultra-forgiving eye box, you'll be able to quickly get a sight picture and acquire your target. The fast focus eyepiece allows quick and easy reticle focusing. Anti-reflective, fully multi-coated lenses provide bright and clear views for the user. Catch reset turrets are finger adjustable with MOA clicks that can be reset to 0 after sighting in. A single-piece tube constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum ensures strength and shockproof performance. O-ring sealed and nitrogen purged, the Crossfire 2 delivers waterproof and fog-proof performance. Number 2, Simmons 39x32 M.22 Waterproof Fog-Proof Matte Black Rifle Scope, 511,039. Features: Truplex reticle, waterproof, fog-proof and shockproof, parallax correction preset from 50 yards to infinity, Rimfire 3/8 of an inch dovetail mounting rings included. Hydro Shield coating ensures a clear sight picture. Sure grip rubber surfaces simplify adjustments under any conditions. Number 3, Bushnell Banner Dusk and Dawn Multi-X Reticle Rifle Scope with 3.3-inch eye relief, 39x 40mm, black. Quality optics with stunning HD clarity. 100% quality materials used and tested extensively. Beautiful design and durability built to last. Low light rifle scope with 3 to 9x magnification and 40mm objective lens. Dusk and dawn brightness, DDB, multi-coated lenses for clarity and brightness. So, that's all about best Rimfire rifle scopes. Hope you enjoyed this video. If enjoy, please hit the like button and also subscribe our channel with bell notification on.